Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about osteoarthritis. Bones provide support for the body and helps in its movement. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Joint may be of three types: immovable, such as skull; slightly movable, such as vertebrae; and thoracic, freely movable, such as shoulder, elbow, wrist, thigh, knee, ankle. Movable joints are surrounded by a membrane called synovial membrane, having synovial fluid which lubricates and nourishes joint tissue such as cartilage. Any disorder that affects joint to cause pain and inflammation is called arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is the most common form of arthritis affecting millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the protective cartilage that cushions the end of your bones wear down over time. Although osteoarthritis can damage any joint, the disorder most commonly affects joints in your hand, knees, hips and spine. Signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis. Pain. Affected joints might hurt during or after movement. Stiffness. Joint stiffness might be most noticeable upon awakening or after being inactive. Tenderness. Your joint might feel tender when you apply light pressure to or near it. Loss of flexibility. You might not be able to move your joint through its full range of motion. Grating sensation. You might feel a grating sensation when you use the joint and you might hear popping or cracking. Bone spurs. These extra bits of bone which feel like hard lumps can form around the affected joint. Swelling. This might be caused by soft tissue inflammation around the joint. Risk factors. Older age. The risk of osteoarthritis increases with age. Sex. Women are more likely to develop osteoarthritis. Obesity. The more you weigh, the greater your risk to develop osteoarthritis. Increased weight adds stress to weight-bearing joints such as hips and knees. Also, fat tissue produces proteins that can cause harmful inflammation in and around your joint. Joint injuries. Injuries can increase the risk of osteoarthritis. Repeated stress on the joint. If your job or a sport you play places repetitive stress on a joint, that joint might eventually develop osteoarthritis. Genetics. Some people inherit a tendency to develop osteoarthritis. Bone deformities. Some people are born with malformed joints or defective cartilage. Certain metabolic disease. These include diabetes and a condition in which your body has too much iron, hemochromatosis. Diagnosis. Diagnosis includes physical exam. Imaging tests. Physical exam. Your doctor will check your affected joint for tenderness, swelling, redness and flexibility. Imaging tests. To get pictures of the affected joint, your doctor might recommend: Number 1. X-rays. Number 2. Magnetic resonance imaging or MRI. Treatment and management. Osteoarthritis cannot be reversed, but treatment can reduce pain and help you move better. Treatment options include A. Medications, B. Therapy, C. Surgical and other procedures. A. Medications. Medications that can help relieve osteoarthritis symptoms, primarily pain, include acetaminophen such as Panadol has been shown to help some people with osteoarthritis who have mild to moderate pain. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Over-the-counter NSAIDs such as ibuprofen, naproxen taken at the recommended dose typically relieves osteoarthritis pain. Stronger NSAIDs are available by prescription. Duloxetine. Duloxetine, such as Cymbalta, normally used as an antidepressant. This medication is also approved to treat chronic pain including osteoarthritis. B. Therapy. Therapy includes: Number 1. Physical therapy. A physical therapist can show you exercises to strengthen the muscles around your joint, increase your flexibility and reduce pain. Number 2. Occupational therapy. An occupational therapist can help you discover ways to do everyday tasks without putting extra stress on your already painful joint. For example, a toothbrush with a large grip could make brushing your teeth easier if you have osteoarthritis in your hands. A bench in your shower could help relieve the pain of standing if you have knee osteoarthritis. Surgical and other procedures. If conservative treatment does not help, then other procedures are considered. For example, 1. Cortisone injections, 2. Lubrication injections, 3. Realigning bones, 4. Joint replacement. Cortisone injections. Injections of corticosteroid medications may relieve pain in your joint. During this procedure, your doctor places a needle into the space within your joint and injects the medication. The number of cortisone injections you can receive each year is generally limited to 3 or 4 injections, because the medication can worsen joint damage over time. Lubrication injections. Injections of hyaluronic acid may offer pain relief by providing some cushioning in your knee. Hyaluronic acid is similar to component normally found in your joint fluid. Realigning bones. If osteoarthritis has damaged one side of your joint than the other, an osteotomy might be helpful. For example, in a knee osteotomy, a surgeon cuts across the bone either above or below the knee and then removes or adds a wedge of bone. This shifts your body weight away from the worn-out part of your knee. Joint replacement. In joint replacement surgery, arthroplasty, your surgeon removes your damaged joint surfaces and replaces them with plastic and metal parts. Surgical risks include infections and blood clots. Artificial joint can wear out or come loose and may need to eventually be replaced. Thank you for watching. If you want me to teach you more about this, make your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.